In catwalk, Miss Susana Espiritu and SOCMELC President Eleanor Andres, and for the darling of the crowd, Miss Milo Wolfsgroup. Thank you very much. Okay. Are you guys ready for the special awards? Drum roll, please. Our first special award is the Miss Calendar Girl who exudes the most friendship and most congeniality among the candidates. And this year, Miss Friendship and Congeniality is Miss Candidate number 8, Miss Christina L. Manahan. May I request all the presenters to give the sash, trophy, and a bouquet. Special awards will receive the following: trophy, sash, plaque of appreciation, cash, and bouquet.
There I was again tonight, forcing laughter, faking smiles, same old tired play. Walls and insincerity, shifting eyes and vacancy, vanished when I saw your face. All I can say is it was enchanting to meet you.
Thank you so much for the official photographer, sir. Thank you very much for embracing this occasion. And sa lahat po ng mga nagkakamera dyan, maraming salamat. And our next special award is Miss Flawless. And our Miss Flawless is candidate number, Mr. Bet. You get it right. It's candidate number 3 is Miss Chanavina Timora. Miss Juliana.
Get ready for the next award, Miss Shane.
Thank you. Our Miss Shane is candidate number is no other than candidate number 4, Miss Margie L. Alagao.
Para mabilis po tayo, please, Mr. Ray Bison and Miss Love Calero Bison, please get ready to go on the stage to give the award for Miss Avon. Bilisan lang po natin dahil ang bus ay naghihintay sa amin sa likod.
Okay, our next special award is Miss Avon. Will receive 100,000 pesos coming from the Avon. Charot ko lang yon. Walang ganon. And move forward is you, our Miss Avon, candidate number 10 is Miss Ethel Jane Sagusho.
May we ask Miss Jean Sabordo and SICAC President Miss Mara Ricardo to present Miss Miss Oriflame. Next to give the award is Miss Mitch Beachbody. May we please call Miss Joy Balthazar to get ready.
We would like also to thank all the wholehearted sponsors to give a token for appreciation for the candidates. Okay, our Miss Oriflame is none other than candidate number 1 is Miss Almabarita L. Monsueto.
Miss Close-Up Smile, please, Miss Maria Lizella Balan and Miss Cherry Evero, get ready to present the award.
Okay, our next special award is Miss Beachbody. Our Miss Beachbody is candidate number 6. Candidate number 6 is Miss Priscilla M. Openia.
May we call Miss Alice Tawatao Balaknet if she's still around, and Miss Zenia Aquino to award the Miss Silky Hair. Miss Jenna Alidin, come and help, please.
Wear the best smile among the candidates. Candidates, wear your best smile. And you are the lucky candidate. Best smile is you, candidate number 7, Miss Allen M. Molase.
May we call Miss Susana Espiritu and South Masi President Miss Eleanor Andres to please come on stage to present the award for Best in Cargo.
Our next award is Miss Silka Hair. Miss Silka Hair is candidate number. Where's your bet? You got it right. It's you, candidate number 5, Miss Claudette Ann Vique.
May we please call Miss Milo Woodruff to please come on stage and get ready to give the award for Darling of the Crowd.
our Miss Best in Catwalk. Where's your bet? You got it right. It's this. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 2 is Jeremy M. Ramirez.
Ayan, lakad na hintay. Lakad yan hintay. Lakad hintay. Hindi ka makikita. Hindi ka nakikita. Ayun na sabi. At least, tinuruan ko.
Okay, our last but not the least special award is Miss Darling of the Crowd, the crowd's favorite. Who's your bet? Who's the crowd's favorite? I see candidate number 10 at 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is your candidate number 9? Miss Regine L. Galvez.
Miss Milo Woolsgrove? Are you here? Okay. Sabay-sabay na please lahat ang magbigay ng award. We don't have time. Please. Pasok na rin po kami.
Okay na.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have now here the result of the major awards or the minor awards. Major awards will receive the following: trophy, sash, plaque of appreciation, cash worth of 1 million in your dreams, and a bouquet. Okay.